1 minus 5, which gives us negative 4. Then 1 minus 5 times negative 4. Okay, 1 minus 5 here is also negative 4 times negative 4. Then negative 4 times negative 4, it is 16. But this is not the correct answer, because according to the order of operation PEMDAS, first we have to do parenthesis, then exponent, and then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority, work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, there is one subtraction here, one parenthesis, and one multiplication here. Okay. Therefore, first we have to we need to do parenthesis, and next this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before this parenthesis or this multiplication, it is wrong. Therefore, according to PEMDAS, we need to do the parenthesis first. 1 minus 5, which gives us negative 4, and 1 minus 5 times negative 4. Here there is subtraction and multiplication. Okay. Therefore, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction according to PEMDAS. Therefore, we need to multiply this number first. 5 times negative 4, which is negative 20. Okay, negative 20. Here is 1 minus negative 20. In this expression, 1 minus and minus negative 20. That means negative times negative, which is positive. 1 plus 20. Okay, 1 plus 20, which gives us 21. Okay. This is the correct answer of this problem. Therefore, the correct answer is 21.